But kitay ki kunsiar. Look at those chicks. Shay ki done. Where is it? Ki done hung near. They are here. Kinie kitay bahabril. These beautiful ladies. Ki iskun ha they. They look cute, right? Nga itenat ya itu banapdeng. I like that middle one. Lada I tre yanga. If she accept me. Ngan ya tho but I will marry her. Biang kilet kran but Okay, go and speak with her. Nga le rantie. I am feeling shy. Sobha se let penkran na benta jonga. Please go and speak for me. Biang tangba ngan ong kumno. Okay, but what should I say? Pi day ban ong. You should say Uparlok jonga udankam kren yapi. My friend need to speak with you. Nang ta pat. Then what? Ngan sa wan kren no. I will come to speak. Ngan ham ban yat lang. I will have to walk together. Biang ngan bersian no ya kasngat. Okay, I will be wooing the fat one.